Hey guys, Riley here. Just my first video on renovations in my house. So this is the third bedroom that I've completed, and yeah, I just wanted to go through some before and after photos with you and some like in progress photos. So this is obviously a before photo that we're looking at here. It's got the ceiling and little bits of damage all on the ceiling, and the old light fixture. That's the whole room there. Obviously still got all the stores in there that I was using to do the renovation, and the old curtains. This is after I painted the ceiling and put up the new LED light, and I was in the process of prepping for painting the walls. It's after the first coat of paint, and it was still drying, so you get like the shininess on the walls. It's after I finished painting the walls and stripped out the carpet, and I'd actually just painted the door and those cabinet doors on the left as well. Started just laying the floor there. So I've got the foil underlay, 2mm insulation, and then another 2mm on the back of the actual vinyl planking floor as well. That's when the floor's all in, but the trim around the edge is just the last thing needing to do to like complete the floor. That's after I got the trim done, and I changed the electrical socket at some point in there. Put the handle back on the door and taken down the curtains. And those are the new curtains. So that's the room fully complete. And a couple of photos. It's at night time. The curtains closed. And that's end product starting to move my furniture into the room, because that's actually going to be my room. I've been staying in the living room until I've completed that room, and now that I've completed it, I'll move into there and I'll start work on the living room. I've got a second flatmate moving in as well at some point over the next couple of weeks, so get a bit of extra income from that. And yeah, should be pretty good. This theme that I've gone through, like in the room, the paint colors, the curtain types, and the flooring is going to be the same throughout the entire house. So it's already the same in the other two rooms that I've renovated, and it will be the same in the rest of the house. The only places that I might vary, like the wall color, would be the bathroom and toilet. Might go for like just like a plain white. Makes it feel more clean and sterile. But yeah, let me know if you guys like the color schemes and the themes, or if you have any ideas, anything that you would have done differently. These projects take like quite a long time, so like the effort that goes into this is like, this took about a week to do this room, but the other two rooms took about like 20 days or something, over 2 weeks each. They had a bit more work to do on them. This one was a little bit easier. But yeah, the maybe a 5-minute video, but takes weeks of work just to do these renovations. But hopefully it increases the value of the house by a substantial amount more than what I'm paying to actually do it. And at the end of the day, if it doesn't, I've still got a house that at the end of it will be really nice to live in. So yeah, that's my theory, and I can also rent it out for a higher amount once the renovations are done. Like on the whole house, I can rent the whole house out for more than I would have been able to. Yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you want to. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. See ya.